Does no good listening to all that chatter, Miriam. Better learn to
People
live.
and the noise and the chatter.
Chattering. It was right at the end.
Managed to hear most of their chatter during the firefight.
Enough the chatter, please.
Enough chatterboxes, finish up your breakfast.
Why?
There's an uptick in online chatter.
To myself like some silly parrot.
What's all the chatter? Just wondering what time it was.
Cut the chatter.
No chatter on this. No.
All I know is I heard chatter on the radio saying you killed a bunch of cops.
Chatter from Warnock's team.
Does no good listening to all that chatter, Miriam. Better learning to live not knowing.
But when everyone was gone, the people and the noise and the chatter and the hospital bed.
Cocktail party. It was chattering. It was right at the end.
Great. Now we got a look for it.
When they were engaged by insurgents. We managed to hear most of their chatter during the firefight, but comms were unreliable. Target.
Making a goddamn mess of what I'd say.
Enough the chatter, please.
Yes, sir.
And there's no call.
I know, but he's in France. That's enough chatterboxes, finish up your breakfasts. Are you going to...
US in the kingdom. I vote Chicago.
Why?
There's an uptick in online chatter. People looking for you.
What?
Leave me sitting there like that, chattering to myself like some silly parrot.
Strange.
Got that? Check. What's all the chatter? Just wondering what time it was. Why? You working by the hour?
You heard him right, Smokey. All right, man. Cut the chatter.
There was no chatter on this. None. Something of this magnitude.
Hey, you a part of this? Part of what? All I know is I heard chatter on the radio saying you killed a bunch of cops. Put your gun down. Shut the fuck up.
Off the grid for 16 hours.
Intercepts. Chatter from Warnock's team.
Nothing. Could be they're keeping...
Push I needed. Okay, enough chatter. Here it is. My most likable song.
But he's a good Christian.
When you arrived, this brilliant assembly was chattering away about the good Lord and the whole...
Stonekeeper, does this chattering animal speak for you?
Certainly not. I speak for myself.
I guess they'll only be 1,000 miles away. Man, that's organization. All right, cut the chatter. We're wasting time on the...
You stand around, you curse, and you chatter, and you don't do anything. You'll all chatter your way into...
Baby, it's time, so why waste it in chatter? Let's settle.
Look at the size of that thing.
Cut the chatter, Red 2. Accelerate to attack speed.
Isn't there? I've heard the chatter about this private.
Wrap it up. Cut the chatter. Go.
See if there's any chatter, would you?
Chatter? What kind of chatter?
I don't know. Just see what they're talking about.
Steve? Slushed.
Are you getting any cross chatter?
A silly bitch. The chattering windbag of conceited, gushing, heavy-chested man-woman.
Maybe he's an oyster.
When I think of myself sitting around playing straight for that phony patriotic chatter, me, carrying bibs for an infant with little
Trifling a small town, a village. 100 chattering tongues will go gossiping to Her Majesty. Your
Blanket, will
I
you?
don't want a blanket. I want the sunshine.
Oh, your teeth are chattering like a crap game. This is November and it's winter sunshine.
Thank you.
Do yourself.
Yeah, new voice scramblers and everything.
Well, what about that red Chinese radio chatter?
It's done.
Well, what must you think of me? Chattering away with you, not even knowing why I'm here.